Hi everyone, welcome to the Hiking Outdoor Family channel. Today we are diving into the America the Beautiful Park Pass, your ticket to unlimited adventure across the country. We're going to give you an overview of the pass and show you how our family used it over the past year. Do you think we got our money's worth out of this pass? The America the Beautiful Pass is an annual pass that grants you access to over 2,000 federal recreation sites, including national parks, wildlife refuges, and national forests. For just one flat fee, you can visit as many of these sites as you like throughout the year. We try to buy our yearly pass a few weeks before visiting a national park. Now let's talk about the benefits and the cost of the pass. The America the Beautiful Pass covers entry fees for the pass holder and passengers in a single, private, non-commercial vehicle. The pass costs $80 for the general public, but there are discounted passes available for seniors, military members, and people with disabilities. Plus, fourth graders can get a free pass for the year with the Every Kid Outdoors program. Purchasing the America the Beautiful Pass is easy. You can buy it online at participating federal recreation sites or from third-party vendors. One year we even bought our pass at LL Bean, so there are lots of options. Now we found it's best to buy your pass ahead of your park visit if you're planning to visit a popular park. Having the pass already in hand will save you from having to wait in line. We love the national park, so buying a yearly pass is a great way to help support the places we love. We purchased our America the Beautiful Pass last year right before our trip to Hawaii. We spent $80 on the pass, and for us it was worth it. If you look at the slide, you'll see we ended up saving $50 this year, and we avoided time spent in lines while entering the park. If you have a national parks trip planned, you should look into the America the Beautiful Pass. Don't forget about the discounted passes for seniors, etc. Also, if you have a fourth grader, be sure to redeem your Every Kid in a Park free pass. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. If you've ever purchased the America the Beautiful Pass, please let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.